As I'm sitting here, I am needing to bring my power up. So, I'm sitting and I'm enjoying after my Kriya, sa breath exercise, Sudarshan Kriya, Art of Living. Find them. Get your basics straight at least. At least get your basics straight. Go be humble and go do it. But as I'm sitting and I'm seeing people is becoming more familiar with their breath, I'm thinking shit. We're putting an extra identification, an extra doorway into the intricate Maya. Because as I'm sitting there and I'm breathing and I know what other people are doing and how the body of them is functioning and how the mind is going to be and this and that, I'm anticipating time. So now I sit there and I'm in my la land. Because when I close my eyes, I am my la land. So, as I am programming myself in La La Land, I have no tools to do that. So I am doing it with my inner faculties, my inner engineering. So as these people are now learning a breath exercise now, I'm looking like shit. You think you're in an organization of a guru? But why? We focus it on the breath. So that you can be more calm in the mind to figure the shit out called the matrix. So now I'm sitting there, I'm looking like, hey, these people are going to get another form of the matrix to learn. And how do you come in that? You need to do the kriyas. In time, only that gateway open. You cannot understand this with the intellect, but only in activities. The activity that you're doing, only that is opening the road. If you don't do the activity theory, intellect will not feed you this because it lacks experience. It lacks so much experience. So now I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, okay, this is this guru doing this form. One layer of the existence is prana. In shamanism, we work with your prana. See what I'm doing now? The elements around. I'm creating my own vortex, my own sound, my own little cosmos. I'm creating it, like you said. I think you think it's so strong, this and that, but if you have seen it, you can reference it, and then later you can visualize it without the medicine. Because when you drink enough of the medicine, and you understand, and you want nothing, you become medicine. Meanwhile, as I am becoming pure love, because love is medicine, medicine is love. You're not in a love state, you don't make music. I am never now out of this love state. I refuse to go out of this love state. I surround myself all the time with my sounds. I heal, I sing, I have my medicine, and then I go quiet. Then I sit in my power. My power is nothingness, my power is silence. I have understood. The more I've took out of this body, the more distance I have from my mind and my body, the more I gain for this emptiness in me, because emptiness cannot lead to emptiness if emptiness is not really empty. So when I'm not leaching to this really beautiful, blissful state. Sometimes it's nirvana, ecstasy. Sometimes it's like a little low volume of some magic. You see, you become supernatural in your powers because you become having yogi power. No sex, no masturbation, no dirty food. And this earth sees you're so clean. How can the spirit of this earth not enter into your body? If you come and you use drugs, please stop this. Please stop this. I will help you. Don't use drugs. I will help you. Don't use medicine from the pharmacy. It's also drugs. We're doing it natural on ayahuasca with natural food. The first week I'm going to anticipate how the diet is going to work on you. Maybe you're a participant in the third week, you're already getting sick before ever drinking ayahuasca. Because when I'm starting this diet, I'm humbly sitting and I'm opening up portals and I'm requesting angelic beings. I'm requesting all the guardians of all four directions, containing all 5 elements. If they can help me, if they can protect me, if they can accept you, if they can work with it, then we'll do it. We'll go diet for you. So if you want to understand with your intellect, you get no place in space. You can come with your mind makeup. I don't mind mind makeup. It's beautiful. Makeup is always beautiful. When you make something up, it's always beautiful. It's not real beauty, it's made up. Here you go. Let me listen to where your makeup has put you, in which stage of your matrix. And now I'm guiding a participant again. You come in my house, brother. I love it so much. If you give me the confidence, I will give you the confidence. You have to follow. I want to bring you beyond your mind programming. As you're suffering your stains and your scars, I'll put it next to you. Let it be your shield. Let everybody see what suffering you have gone through. Don't need to be every day with me. I have substituted me with some recordings on the internet. I sent you some references. So we'll start up your diet, brother. We'll go get the money. I'll go get the rest of the participants for you. I'm not going to waste time. Wasting so much precious time. Look at your body, it's getting older. You cannot keep on